The PhD student who was alleged sexual harassment by St. Stephen's professor has now released audio recordings which purportedly reveal Stephen's principal Walson Thampu trying to get the student to withdraw the case of sexual harassment against the professor. The 4 sets of audio recordings have been handed over to the police. The sting was done by the girl and now it's been given to the Delhi police by her lawyer. NDTV cannot verify independently the contents of this audio tape.
I will enable him.
ईश्वर पर दस्तक कीजिए, थोड़ा सा मेरे ऊपर भी दस्तक कीजिए। क्या बात कर रहे हैं? You have to take that step. आज ही करो। नहीं तो कॉम्प्लिकेशन हो जाएगा।
ठीक है।
मेरे हाथ से छूट जाएगा।
अच्छा।
ठीक है ना?
ठीक है।
Because being appointed committee and all that, that's fair. It's a legal matter.
Yes.
You don't understand the legal. अभी दूसरा जाके लेते ओके जी सक्सेसफुल हो गया आप इसके आगे की जरूरत ठीक है दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव गिवन मी राइट सो व्हाट ही यस वी कैन फर्स्ट वो कल से सैटरडे से मिलिए कि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है थोड़ा सा सीधा काम ठीक है ये बात भी ठीक होते हैं हाँ थैंक यू हैप्पी पर्सन
सर मैं इतना ज़्यादा चीयरफुल इतनी जोली टाइप की थी मतलब लोग मुझे देख के बोलते थे कि हमेशा हंसती रहती है और आज मैं रीज़न ढूंढती हूँ स्माइल करने के लिए ऐसी हालत हो गई है मेरी 2 साल यहाँ पे काम करने के बाद.
Now, Walson Thampu has put up a post on Facebook. He hasn't responded directly to this latest development. However, what he said only through his Facebook post is that no comment on the audio tapes, mischievously edited transcripts of complainants meeting with me released, won't comment on merits of content and how cleverly they've been manipulated. Have good reasons to believe that the truth will come out. Believe courts will not be prejudiced through this motivated media campaign. Let's go across to Snigdha now for more. She's been tracking this entire case. Snigdha, so the PhD student making the point that Walson Thampu actually tried to dissuade her from pursuing the sexual harassment case and also offered help with her thesis.
That's right, Gargi. The PhD student, while filing the complaint, she had also named Walson Thampu in the complaint, saying that he was trying to shield the PhD guide. And at that time, he did speak to us and he refuted these allegations and said, in fact, he's the one who filed the complaint to the internals committee on her behalf. She's the one who didn't want to take it further. And in this audio where, he's heard to be telling the student that if you file the complaint, there will be complications, so she should take it back immediately. And he also says, you're faced with 2 options. One, you can either, I write a complaint to the internals complaints committee, and when they call you, you must say that you don't want to take this case any further. It must be deemed as closed, and she does not want to share any details. Or the other option he gave her was that you file a police complaint, and there will be defamation, there will be harassment, and there will be media attention. So she strongly did say that Walson Thampu, the principal of the college, was trying to shield her PhD guide and discourage her from filing the complaint. And these audio recordings, which are from January this year, between a meeting between her, the professor, the guide, and Walson Thampu, clearly show that he was in fact trying to discourage her from filing the complaint.